Welcome to the wild world of pneumonia and bronchitis, where coughing is the main event. Pneumonia and severe bronchitis are like two lousy DJs in your chest. One keeps dropping heavy beats on your lungs, while the other just keeps coughing over the music. Pneumonia and severe bronchitis are like drama queens for your lungs. One turns every breath into a tragic performance, and the other won't stop coughing for applause. And bronchitis? It's like your lungs decided to throw a never-ending party, but forgot to invite you. So, how do we prevent these pesky lung invaders? First up, wash your hands like you're preparing for a cooking show. Next, avoid inhaling smoke, because your lungs deserve a spa day, not a smoke-filled room. And don't forget to get your flu shot. It's like giving your immune system a superhero cape. Stay active, because a couch potato is just a potato with a cough waiting to happen. Finally, if you feel sick, don't be a hero. Call your doctor and let them save the day. Welcome to the public bathroom, where the soap is always slippery and the toilet paper is a mystery. Meet our hero, Timmy, who thinks washing hands is just a suggestion, not a rule. Did you know that 80% of germs are spread by hands? Timmy is about to find out the hard way. Timmy enters the bathroom and sees a sign. Wash your hands for 20 seconds. He thinks, that's a long time. As Timmy washes his hands, he starts singing Happy Birthday twice, but he forgets the lyrics halfway. Suddenly, a superhero named Captain Clean swoops in, reminding Timmy that germs are no joke. Captain Clean explains that washing hands can prevent illnesses, and Timmy finally gets it. Now, Timmy is a hand-washing champion, and he even teaches his friends the 20-second rule. Did you know that washing your hands for 20 seconds can save you from a world of germs? That's right, 20 seconds is the magic number, but how long is that really? It's about the time it takes to sing Happy Birthday twice, or to recite the alphabet while doing a silly dance. But wait, what if you forget the lyrics? No worries, just think of your favorite song. Imagine washing your hands while belting out I Will Survive. Now that's a hand-washing concert. And remember, if you wash your hands for less than 20 seconds, you might as well be shaking hands with a germ factory. So, next time you wash your hands, make it a performance. Your germs will be booed off stage. In the end, washing your hands for 20 seconds is not just a rule. It's a fun way to keep those pesky germs away.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.